Are all your friends talking about keto and you have no idea what it is? Stay tuned, I'm gonna tell you everything. Keto is high fat, low carb, moderate protein. You're gonna be eating about 70% fat, 20% protein, and 10% carbs depending on your body type. With keto, you are using fat as your fuel source instead of your carbs. You're using fat to convert into ketones that will lead your body into ketosis, the ultimate state of burning fat. The benefits of keto are mental clarity, no more brain fog. Also, increased energy. Because you're not eating carbs as your energy source, you're not gonna have that huge insulin spike and then a huge dip throughout the day. You're gonna have consistent energy. It can also help you maintain or even lose weight as well as improve your digestion. Who doesn't want that? What can't you eat on keto? You must eliminate grains, starchy veg like sweet potatoes and potatoes, legumes, alcohols, sugar, and some high-carb fruits. What can you eat on keto? You can still eat your protein, your steak, your ground beef, your chicken, your pork, bacon, don't forget that, as well as good healthy fats like avocado, coconut oil, olive oil, coconut cream, and some nuts. If this all sounds a little daunting for you, don't worry, Meaningful Foods has you covered. We just launched our very first dairy-free keto line. We now have pre-orders open till December 20th, so you can order for the entire month of January. Get your order in before then. First delivery, December 31st. Let's get into ketosis.